Hello everyone, welcome to another origami demo. So in this video I'm going to demo this really cool origami model designed by my new favorite YouTuber, Lawrence from Dutchpaperfolder. This is the origami talking lips, and you pull these two handles and check this out. They talk. Isn't that cool? And this is, believe it or not, this is actually one of my new favorite models I folded, because it's really clean and it's really cool. And what I really like about this is that when it talks, it actually makes a little bit of noise. And yeah, and this could be a really nice fidget toy. A couple things I discovered with this model is that it can be a little container. You can put small stuff inside, like memory cards. And another thing I discovered is that you can actually pretend like you're feeding it. So I'll use my memory card, put it in the mouth, and it has to be small enough. Okay, and you can pretend like feeding it. So yeah, and if you want to learn how to fold this, I put his tutorial right here or in the description. And make sure you subscribe to him too, he's awesome. And I folded this model from an ordinary 6-inch square of kami. And this is the result. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you liked it, give it a like, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.